Hello friend, today we are going to discuss about the merge sort algorithm. The merge sort follow the rule of divide and conquer to sort a given set of numbers or elements recursively, hence consuming the less time. The merge sort is one of the most efficient sorting technique and it's based on the divide and conquer concept. In a merge sort, the problem is divided into the two sublists in every iteration. In last two tutorials, we learn about the selection sort and insertion sort and bubble sort. These sorting techniques are simple. Now, in the merge sort, before starting the merge sort, uh, how merge sort work and its implementation, first let's understand what is the rule of divide and conquer. The divide and conquer, if we can break a single big problem into a smaller sub problems, solve the smaller sub problem and combine their solution to find the solution for the original big problem, it become easier to solve the whole problem. Let's take an example, divide and rule. When the Britishers came to India, they saw a country with different religions living in the harmony, hardworking but now citizens, unity in diversity, and found it difficult to establish their empire. So they adopted the policy of divide and rule, where the population of India was collectively a one big problem for them. They divide the problem into smaller problem. That means they can divide their problem into the number of parts by instigating the rebellions between the local kings, making them stand against each other. And this work is very well for them. That means Britishers. So well that was the history and socio-political policy divide and rule. But the idea here is if we can somehow divide a problem into smaller sub problem, it become easier to eventually solve the whole problem. So in the merge sort, apply this technique. The merge sort the given unsorted array with an element. These unsorted elements are divided into the n subarrays, each having one element, because a single element is always sorted in itself. So then it repeatedly merges this subarray to produce a new sorted subarray, and in the end one completely sorted array is produced. So the concept of divide and conquer involve the three steps: divide the problem into multiple small problems, then conquer the sub problem by solving them. The idea is to break down the problem into the atomic sub problems where they are actually solved, and combine is nothing but the solutions of the sub problems to find the solution of the actual problems. This is the methodology. So in the merge sort problem, it is divided into two sublists in every iteration. Uh, Fine. Hence, the efficiency is increased drastically. So it follow the divide and conquer approach. Divide breaks the list into two sublists, which continue until the problem set is left with one element only. Conquer is basically merge two sorted array into the original array. So this from for this technique, from that approach, the merge sort technique is best. So how the merge sort will be work? Let's consider an array with the value. Suppose consider this array, there the array containing this value 14, 7, 3, 12, 9, 11, 6 and 12. So the pictorial representation will be like that. Suppose this is the array, it contains 8 elements 0 to 7 and it will be put on this array. Now we can find out the mid of this array. Mid means middle of this array. How we can find the mid of this array? We can apply 0 is the lower bound of this array, that means lower limit of this array, and 7 is nothing but the upper bound of this array, you know that. So we add this lower bound plus upper bound divided by 2. Then we get the mid of this array. So 0 plus 7, 0 plus 7 is 7. 7 upon 2 equal to approximately 3. So 3 is a mid of this array. So we can divide this array into two parts. 0, 1, 2, 3 is in the one sublist and 4, 5, 6, 7 is in the another sublist. So 14, 7, 3 and 12. This is the one sublist, and 9, 11, 6 and 2 is the another sublist. Now apply the divide rule in it again into the first sublist. Now again we can find this find the mid of this list. So how we can find out the mid? Lower bound plus upper bound upon 2. So 0 plus 3 is nothing but 3 and divided by 2. That is, what is the mid? Mid is nothing but the approximately 1. So divide this sublist into two parts. 0 and 1 is in one sublist and 3 and 12 is another sublist. Now divide this second sublist like that. So find out the mid of this list. So how we can find out the mid? We can find out the mid like that. Lower bound plus upper bound. 7 plus 4. What is the addition? 7 plus 4 is nothing but the 11. 11 divided by 2. That means 5. Approximately 5. So 4 to 5 element, 4 to 5, that means 9 and 11 is in the one sublist and 6 and 2 is in the another sublist. Now again we can apply the divide rule on this generated sublist. Now again we can find the mid and separated this element into the single element. So this is the divide rule. Now we can apply the merge technique, that means combine technique on this sublist. Now here the 14 and 7, when we combine this list, merge this list, then we can sort this element. So 14 and 7. So 7 is less than 14. Now 7 is come into the front position and 14 is into the second part. Now next one is the 3 and 12. Now here 3 and 12 also, this list 7 and 14 and 3 and 12 is also the merge, and it will be given the result 3, 7, 12 and 14. Now this is again sort. 9 and 11 it is already sorted, and here 6 and 2 is sorted here, and 2 is already 2 is go to the position first and 6 is into the second. Now this is the list, and then this two list again the merge, and we give the original sorted list 2, 3, 6, 7, 9, 11, 12 and 14. So this is the this is the technique of the merge sort algorithm. Hope you have to understand this technique. Now friend, we are taking an example of the merge sort. So I open the Turbo C editor. I already typed this program of merge sort. So I will show that program to you. Suppose this is the merge sort algorithm. I take a merge sort function, that I will pass the array, then I and j. Now second function is for the merge. Here I pass the array and I, j, I1, j1, I2, j2 variable. Now here I take a array a of 30 and n and I. Enter the number of element. Here I enter the how many element you want to enter stored in the value n. Now we can enter the array. Here we enter the array with the help of this for loop, and we pass this array to the merge sort a comma 0 comma n minus 1. 0 is nothing but the lower bound and n minus is nothing but the upper bound of this array. Now print the sorted array, and here we print this array. Now this control will goes jump on this merge sort function. Now here we can take a mid variable of integer type and check that if I is less than j. Suppose the value of I is less than j, then we can find out the mid equal to I plus j upon 2. I is nothing but the lower bound and j is nothing but the upper bound of this array. I plus j upon 2. Now we recursively call the left recursion merge sort a comma I comma mid. Now right recursion merge sort a comma mid plus 1 plus j. This is nothing but the second list and this is the first list. Now here we can pass the merge a comma I comma mid plus 1 comma j and close the if condition and close the merge sort function. Now what happened in the merge what happened in the merge function? Here I pass the array variable I1, J1, I2 and J2. Here again I take the array used for merging temp and assign the size 50. Now I take the three variable I, J and K. I is assigned to I1, J is assigned to I2. I1 is nothing but the beginning of the first list and I2 is nothing but the beginning of the second list, and k is assigned to 0. Now while element in the both lists, now check that while I is less than equal to j1 and j is less than equal to j2. Now if a of I is less than a of j, then we put that temp of k plus plus equal to a of I plus plus, else temp of k plus plus equal to j of a of j plus plus. Then that means we sort this element and put this element into the temp array. Now here now see that copy the remaining element of the first list. So we check that I is less than j1. Then if this condition is true, then assign the temp of k plus plus equal to a of I plus plus and copy the remaining element of the second list. So j is less than equal to j2. If this condition is true, then temp of k plus plus equal to a of j plus plus. Now last remaining one is that we can transfer the element from temp array to the a array. So for I equal to I1, j equal to 0, I is less than equal to j2, I plus plus, j plus plus. A of I equal to temp of j. This is nothing but the definition of the merge function. Now the control again back to the main function, and here we print the sorted array for I equal to 0, I is less than n, I plus plus, and here we print the array a of I. Suppose I execute that program, suppose I run that program, it will be ask me the number of elements. Suppose I take a 4 element. Suppose enter the array element 11, 13, 12 and 10. Now if I see the result, the sorted array is 10, 11, 12 and 13, like that manner. So merge sort is a simple technique. I hope you have to understand this technique. Thank you friend.